Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we're showing you guys how to make super healthy popsicles with only 4 ingredients.
And no sugar.
Yes, and they are vegan, they are awesome and easy to make, and we hope you enjoy this video. So if you guys want to see how we make our 4 ingredient, super simple, healthy, vegan popsicles, that's a mouthful, keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that is how we make our homemade vegan popsicles. They look amazing. As you can see at the end there, we just kind of top them with some vegan dark chocolate and put some walnuts around it for the pretty presentation. We are going to dig in now so they melt.
Okay, here we go.
Cheers. Mmm.
Mmm.
So good, guys.
This tastes like biting into a real coconut.
Yeah, coconut flavor is awesome in these, and the little crunch from the walnuts and the dark chocolate make them so delicious and decadent. This is like the perfect healthy snack.
For a hot summer day. They're so good and they're so easy to make.
And super, super refreshing. So definitely make these this summer, guys, if you're looking for a vegan little treat. I recommend trying out our vegan popsicles.
Yeah, and no sugar, really, right?
We hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We will see you next Thursday. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I like you a lot.
Should we let the bell guy have one?
If you want one.
Hey, you want to try our experiment?
Yeah, sure.